So in this video I just wanted to show you how to take apart the main wand for a Gtech Airram vacuum cleaner. It's really important to understand how this actually works internally, what needs to be pressed and where it is and why. So we'll start with the little button at the top of the handle, and when that is pressed in you'll see a button at the back, a little black button which is popping up and down as you can see there, and what that does is that stops the actual unit from coming out completely. So it's really important to recognise that part. As you can see on that side there's also like a little green nib, and that will go into the hole as you can see on the main barrel there, if you like. That will then stop that from going down as well. So we'll see what this looks like as it's been released. So in order to release this we're going to press on the button at the top, so hold that in, and then we're going to slide it out, and then in the hole that you see there you'll see that green nib attach and hold it in place. Now on the other side you can't actually see where that black button that I showed you earlier, you can't actually see it. It doesn't protrude out of the main wand, so the only thing that you'll be able to see is the little green nib, but it's really important that that is still being held. Now you'll need something like a pen or an instrument just to put into that little hole so that you can push that little nib back, and then it will slide clear of that little hole. So I'm going to press that button in, I'm going to slide the main wand out, and then when I see the green nib then I'm going to just lightly push in with that pen and then pull it out completely, still holding that button originally that I was holding, because if that button isn't being held then that, as you can see, will not allow it to come out completely. So I hope that kind of made sense and shows you how the actual wand works, because once you know how it works then you know what it is that's actually holding that in place and keeping it together.